Good afternoon. This is Pushpanjali Guruvayur Apartments by Lord Krishna Builders. I'm going to show you the flat number 504, the 2 BHK flat, 778 square feet. This is the smallest 2 BHK what we have in store, and all the flats have been sold out in this particular square feet area. We just have one that's at the 5th floor, that is 504. So starting with the video as requested, I'll show you these are the staircases what we have, the broad staircases what you are able to see here, and these staircases actually lead to the terrace. Can you see the terrace here? This is the terrace. So it's so near. So this is the staircase and the corner flat is yours. So for reaching out the terrace, it's a very ideal place you can walk down for reaching the terrace. So this is the staircase number 1, staircase number 2, and on the lobby number 3 we have the staircase number 3. So 3 staircases, and your flat is very close to the lift also. This is the lift, and that's a flat on the left, the corner one. So I am reaching out to your flat 504. This is the staircase, this is the lift area, and from here I am walking. This is 501, 502. I am in the 5th floor, and on the left this is flat number 504 from Lord Krishna Builders, Pushpanjali. Can you see this? So this is the exterior of the flat, what you see here, and we have a small corridor opening with good ventilation. So you can even stand here. If you open up this window nicely, that's the entrance, what you see. That's the entrance here of Pushpanjali, and that's the main road, what you see there. So this is the lobby, and you can see here this is the Lord Krishna advertisement which is kept. We have sold almost all the flats here, only few flats, 7 flats or 8 flats left, and this is the only 778 flats what we have in stock, which I am going to show you. So this is the corridor, and next to the corridor is flat number 504. So it's ideally placed, and from here that's the staircase. So I open up flat 504. So this is 504. I'm opening up. So this is a totally non-furnished flat, the way we are giving it. So the moment I enter the flat, what you see, the moment I enter the flat, this is the drawing room space what you have. Can you see here the drawing room space, and next to drawing room you can place your dining table. So this is drawing and dining, and as I told you earlier, this flat is 778. So in 778 we are trying to squeeze in 2 bedroom. So this is the flat, this is the dining area. We have a big window there. So how it will be like in this flat, this area is going to be your area where you're going to keep your sofa set. Sofa set can be kept in L shape here, and while you're sitting in the sofa, the front area is basically kept for the TV area. This is the TV unit plugged for the centralized system. So this is the place where you're going to keep your TV, and from the corner, that's the space what you have here. I'm taking from the corner. Here you can keep the dining table. Next to the dining table, we already given you a wash basin. You can keep the mirror on the wash basin, and the window. This is a temple side. What you're going to look here, this is the temple side. That's our apartments. All the flats there have been sold off. That's our apartment only. We can see that the furnishing has been done. The people already have put the curtains and AC there. This side, what you see is the Guruvayur temple side. That is the West Nada, and there is our main road. From where we have to enter. That's the main road, what you see there. So it's visible from the window. I'm standing in the dining room. So this is the window of the dining room, and next to the window, first I told you there's a wash basin here, and here we are giving you a crockery stand. So the space what you can save in the kitchen, now I'm closing the window here. The space what you're saving in the kitchen, you can put your plates, crockery sets, everything can be kept, and there's a box in the top also. So this entire thing is a crockery stand where you're going to keep your glasses, plates, spoons, everything is nicely been done, and this is the place it's going to be kept. So this is the wash basin, mirror, and the top. And this is the place. So from the dining room, that is the main entrance, and that is what you see. The L-shaped sofa will come, and here in the wall will the TV. Now showing you the kitchen. Kitchen is here. We have a nice ventilation in the kitchen. The wire has been given for, if you want to keep a exhaust fan, you can keep it. Otherwise, this is the view from the kitchen. The same like I showed you from the window from the dining room. So the kitchen has been tiled. The tiles have been used, and we have this particular thing for keeping the water filter if you want. These are the filtered water which comes in the kitchen, because we have a common filtration plant on top of the building. So only filtered water comes here in the kitchen. In the rest bathrooms and other area, it is a non-filtered water. So only in the kitchen you get the drinking water filtered at the top of the building. So this is the kitchen area with the one sink, and the area over here. You can keep the cabinets, wooden cabinets, whatever you want in this area. So this is basically the kitchen area, what I am showing you. All the kitchen area will be this. And next to kitchen, when the dining room is there, this is the cabinet in which you are going to keep the utensils like plates and glasses and all those things. Now let me first take you to the first bedroom, which is a smaller bedroom. Now both the bedrooms has got a unique thing. This is the first bedroom. I show you the space here. This is the space what you get in the first bedroom. I'm standing at the door area. The total area what you get here, and both the bedrooms are connected with attached bathroom and a balcony. That's used for example. You see the balcony here. The view from this balcony is your temple side, which you can see, and the main road. It's a beautiful view. And this is the main, you can see there, this is the main road. That's a Punjab National Bank. I'm standing on the balcony. And this is the entrance of the building. This road, what you see here, this is the entrance of the building. So we're standing on the 5th floor, and you can see this is the main Chavakad road, and that's the temple just around 200 meters straight road from here. So this is a place where you can keep the washing machine. We have got the pipe here. We have got the connection here for keeping the wire. We have got the pipe, and we have got the drainage outlet for keeping the washing machine. So this place is the place where you'll be keeping the washing machine. But the space in balcony is also good. If you stand here, if I want to show you, see, this is the place what you get in the balcony. So there's ample space, nice breeze here, and what you get here is this view from the balcony. So this is the smaller bedroom and the balcony, which is already been separated by the toughened glass window. I'm closing the toughened glass window, and this is the view you get from the room. Corner, this is the bed, and that's a place where you can keep your lighting. Both places are lighting. We have a switchboard, 2 switchboard, and as I mentioned about, we have an attached bathroom which is fully done. Can you see from the top? Rain shower from Jaguar, exhaust fan, we have provided the wire. For geyser, you have provided the wire and the pipe there. The geyser can be kept inside this ceiling, the artificial ceiling which already provided here in the bathroom. Both the bathrooms has been electrostatically been done. This is the rain shower, and this place is the wall mounted. This is wall mounted. We are not gone by the traditional closet. This is wall mounted Q1 set from America. Well, sorry, just Jaguar one. If you see here, these all items what you given is the latest one. All the wash basins and everything is from the branded company Jaguar. And here we are giving you the place for keeping your utilities like soap and other things can be kept here. And the tiling is done from wall to floor. So bathroom has been nicely be done. All the attachment mixers, hot and cold pipe, everything is done. So there you can keep the mirror also. This is the bathroom, attached bathroom what you have in your small bedroom. This is a small bedroom compared to the one which I am going to show you now. So I am closing the door. Let's go back. So bathroom, and then balcony, and then this is the, from where the bed comes, you can operate your fan switches, everything here, and another switch is over here. So this is what the first bedroom has got. Moving down, you come to the drawing room, and then I go to the second bedroom. Second bedroom is a larger bedroom. This is the second bedroom. You can see the place from second bedroom. It's a big area, and very big area. So this can be the master bedroom, the other one for your guest. This is the total space you get in the second bedroom. See, the speciality of this flat is you stand in any corner of the flat, There is no need for light here because amply natural light comes on because this is a corner flat. Can you see this? So this is the total area what you get in this bedroom, and this bedroom also is having an attached bathroom and an attached balcony. This is an attached bathroom. What you see here is already been done. Wall to wall, exhaust fan opening, rain shower, and this is for the lighting. This is again they're giving you wash basin, wall mounted set. This is for keeping your utilities here. Space is being given. So this is an attached bathroom what you have here, and then we have a balcony, the smaller balcony compared to the one what we have in the master bedroom. And this is the view what we have. Complete privacy means nobody is basically having any kind of this in complete privacy, and that's the main road. From here also you can see the main road there. This is the temple side balcony. Early morning you can hear the sounds of the temple, the soft music coming from the temple, all from this balcony. This is flat number 504, and flat number 304 is also similar, absolutely similar to this one. So this is how the flat looks like, and these are all our flats what we have sold, and the people are staying here. You can see there all people occupied, and that is our all parking zone, and this is our boundary wall which is basically been covered by the bamboos which were fixed there. And then I'm going back, closing the window, and this is again you can keep the washing machine also here also if you want. This is plug, water point, and that's a place where you can keep the washing machine. So this is basically the big bedroom, and my voice is echoing because of the depth of the bedroom. You can hear that. We have a bathroom, toilet, and the balcony. So this is flat number 504. 104, 204, 304, 404, 504, all are absolutely same. So I'm closing the door of the master bedroom. This is the bathroom door which I closed. This is the area what you get as far as second bedroom is concerned. All the hooks, fan hooks, lightings, two lightings here, plug points, all the plug points have been easily been done, given to you. So there's nothing. Ready to occupy flats by Lord Krishna Builders in Pushpanjali. So this is the Q1 set, and this one is a non-filtered water which is coming in this Q1. Q1 is a brand from USA. So here you can keep a mirror if you want for the guests. After dining, the people can wash their hands. It's a very ideal flat, and we have nicely done. We have tried to squeeze in 2 bedrooms into this one, which gives you ample space. So suppose you get a guest, or your parents comes and stays with you, or your children comes and stays with you. You have a privacy, you can dine with them, you can spend some time with them. This is 1 bedroom you can allocate to them. This is a 2nd bedroom you can allocate to them. You have a common dining space here, you have a common sit-out place here, and a common kitchen there where you can be cooking your food. So that's it, friends. I'm just ending up this video showing you the flat number 504. A very ideal flat, a 2-bedroom flat. Owning a 2-bedroom flat in Guruvayur is really basically we can call it a blessing, because you need to have a blessing to own a flat in Guruvayur first of all, and to get a 2-bedroom flat like this in 778 square feet. So nicely the area has been used, very nice, you can see that. Hardly you can get a 1-bedroom flat elsewhere with the same square feet, but it has been nicely been done. So 2-bedroom, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, the dining hall, the kitchen, and both the bedrooms is connected with balcony and attached bathroom. And the moment I come out from the house, this is how the house looks, interior. And slowly if I go there, that's a lobby where you can go stand and even watch your guests leaving, or you can even call the guests from here, and you can route them to your place and all. 504 Pushpanjali from Lord Krishna Builders. So as I mentioned, this is the only flat what Pushpanjali has today. We have already sold all the flats. And as I already mentioned, in Malayalam we say Guruvayurlu flat vaanganengil yoga undavanam. So this is a flat ready for you. Do not waste time. Fill in the booking form. Make it reach us so that we can hand over the keys as early as possible. It's already ready. The KSEB meter is down, and we have been paying the meter electricity for the last 2 years. So that's it. 504 from Lord Krishna Pushpanjali. Thank you. Bye-bye.